Welcome to All Around's Palace of Healing. Inside here, all are welcome. Like, share, subscribe, hit your notification buttons. Come in, stay for a while. Maybe you'll find something here that can help you through whatever it is you're going through. It's all about healing up in here. So tune in. And if you'd like to get a reading with me, check the information below. And once again, thanks for tuning in. Found a new spot. It's pretty dope. I'm digging it. Just nice and peaceful out here. Right down the street from the house. This has been here all this time and I never knew. This is wild. We got all these birds everywhere. We got a little stream. I wish it was more green, man. We need some rain bad, but look at all of this. Like the waters are so clear. I haven't seen any fish though. I've been looking. We need rain bad though.
So we'll fix it, break it, rebuild it, make it faster, make it...
Motorized skateboard, yo. That's off the chain, man. You made this?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
How long did it take you to put together?
No, it's a few iterations of this. I mean, the parts, I can take this apart and put it together in like 15 minutes.
You control it with your hand.
Yeah, this is the...
And you just like guide it with your body?
Yeah, you ride it, yeah, you skate.
But you just use the speed.
Yeah, exactly.
That's like...
Well, it's got brakes too. If you go the other way, it reverses speed. But when you're moving, it actually applies power, braking power.
That's damn near a hoverboard, man. Like you're like one step away.
Oh man, this thing is fun, no doubt.
Do you have like grips on the top just in case to like keep you on?
Yep.
Because I know you can go fast with that.
Yeah, man, this thing, I had a... This thing is a arbor board. So this right here, this material is kind of like grip tape from the factory.
Oh, nice.
But I recently put this on the tape just because it got worn out, You're
Nice.
taking a turn, you're sliding off on the tape.
Yo, that looks mad scary, but I want to see somebody do it. Yeah. That's hella cool, man.
Yeah. You ride or no?
No, I'm old, man.
Well, I'm getting older too.
I'm too scared of the pain. Wow. Yo.
It's a crazy amount of power.
That is sick, man. Like how fast was that? That had to be like 20, 30 miles per hour.
I'll probably hit 20 there, but
yeah.
Maximum on this setup right now as is, it's about 28. But, you're moving to 28 already.
Yeah, you double that, you're Marty McFly, man.
Yeah, like I'm pedaling in the same areas where I'm skateboarding.
Yeah.
Up these hills. And how much power it takes to do all that.
Yeah.
So when you ride in this and you appreciate how much power is in this little motor.
Yeah,
unreal.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
How long does the battery stay charged?
This one, that's a medical pack I got from like a recycled pack.
Yeah.
This one's good probably for 20 miles.
Damn.
Yeah, your feet will be sore by the time you use it up.
That is sick.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, thanks for showing me your cool toy, man. I love that.
Have a good one, man.
Yeah, you too.
Take care.
Found a new spot. It's pretty dope. I'm digging it. Just nice and peaceful out here. Right down the street from the house. This has been here all this time and I never knew. This is wild. We got all these birds everywhere. We got a little stream. I wish it was more green, man. We need some rain bad, but look at all of this. Like the waters are so clear. I haven't seen any fish though, but I've been looking. We need rain bad though. Looks like we have a little duck family here. Some little babies. Man, I just wish this water wasn't so shallow. Look, you got the mom and the little baby duckies. Hopefully they find something out here, because I ain't got nothing for you. Maybe I'll bring some bread next time for y'all. Oh, this little one on the shore. Going back in. Afternoon wildlife. Look at this, dragonflies galore. All over this mossy pond or whatever it is. I hate seeing the water get so low. I hope it rains because we need it so bad. Look at this, just dragonflies galore. But at least things are staying green because of this pond out here, so this is a good place to come to. I hope you all are enjoying your day, because this is where it's at for me. Yes, indeed. It's been a fantastic day. See, where's this guy going? Where you going, buddy? Carrying some food somewhere. He's going to his colony. There we go. The mighty ant carrying a load, defying gravity on a wall. If that ain't a message, man. It's a black squirrel going to the car. I never seen a black squirrel before. Look at it. The squirrel is like pitch black. Never seen one of these before. It's amazing. It's me back at the beach. And if you look straight forward, I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna try to zoom in. Hold on. Maybe I can't zoom in. I don't know. You see? There we go. Look straight ahead. You'll see that eagle. He was flying around for a minute. He decided to perch on top of that house. He's just sitting there staring. He's looking for food. Maybe both. I don't know what he's doing. It's funny. I show up, he's here. Fish are swimming. I'm trying to see if he can do something. anyways, how y'all doing? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're enjoying a little bit of summer we got left. Let's just enjoy this. Get out the house. I just wish we had more rain. Everything is so green. Let me see it. Yeah, this is the magic of the earth today. Magic of Eagle. I don't know if they eat gulls or these small birds, but they gotta look it up. You fit in there like a statue. Huh? I don't know why you're not recording this, but this is kind of cool. Like he swam all the way out there for that. he's wild, Joe. He went all the way out that far for that stick. Did you throw it out there or you just saw it?
Do it every time, dude.
He likes swimming. That was actually kind of cool. What's his name?
Bear.
Bear? I can't tell if he's running or swimming.
He's swimming.
He's a good swimmer. How long you been doing this with him?
Every day.
Just come out here, he's like, yeah, throw it in the water.
I lived up in Princeton on the same river.
Okay.
So I taught him how to swim when he was 12 weeks old.
Water dog.
Yeah.
This is probably the coolest thing I've seen all day.
That's good, huh? You can tell a lot if you look at him. He looks pretty muscular. From
Yeah,
all the
he's
time.
strong, man. He like to go out that far and come back with that in his mouth and still have energy to keep doing it.
And he pulled me on my skateboard up here.
He's probably just appreciative of the exercise.
Right.
You letting him be himself. He's digging it. You out of breath yet, man?
He'll face around a little bit, then I'll drop him on you and be ready to go.
Oh, he ready to take a break. That was the sit down. He's gathering his strength. Man, no cap. The little bit of rain we had the last couple of days has just made everything look so much better. Look at that. Small water flowing. Grass is greener. This is what nighttime looks like. Got a little bit of summer left. And then it's a wrap. But yeah, look at that view. Ain't that dope? I'm just gonna let y'all enjoy this moment of peace with me. Just enjoy it like you're here. Yeah. Breathe it in All that prana. Yeah. That means life. This is life. We just enjoying life today. What's up, Missy? Yep, you hear him? Just nothing but. Even the birds ain't making no noise today. They sleep now. Yes, it is. That's the idea. Peaceful. I might have to like loop this and make a sleep tape or something. I could go to sleep to this. For sure. You as well. Go enjoy your backyard. Enjoy the sounds. What's up? I don't know who's watching, but we ain't on nothing. We just enjoying a moment of peace out here. Hey, what's up? What's up, sis? I see you. You said it's a whole nother vibe at night. I love it. Yes. Just the sounds alone are so dope. Yes, I am. Soak it all in. Figure I'll let some of y'all enjoy this with me. See, I ain't all the way stingy. I can share my good times. Look how much more water there is than the other day. hear the birds now.